In this video, we will discuss tensile strain. Observe the diagram. We have two copper wires being stretched by the same weight. This time, the wires have the same cross-sectional area, and the forces are the same, but extensions are not. The longer wire stretches twice as much, even though it has the same tensile stress. Guess why? Yes, the wire on the right is twice as long to start with. It stretches by the same fraction of its original length, and this fraction is called tensile strain. The tensile strain is given by the equation epsilon is equal to extension, which is delta x, over the original length, which is L. And it has no unit. It is just a ratio.